Reading is not an easy task, but we make it interesting for you. We use a combination of AI and machine learning to accurately predict your learnings based on your eye movements. It helps you get a real-time insight into your reading performance at a cognitive level. No external gadget is required. You can simply read on your PC using the web camera. CogniRead offers you a Chrome extension for your devices to analyze your reading performance in 3 easy steps. It captures your eye movements while you read on your devices. Your data is then analyzed by an AI-powered analytical system. It then generates a detailed and competent feedback on your reading sessions. Get the CogniRead extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome extension is added, the sign-in screen will pop up. Sign in with your Google ID. Once logged in, you'll see a welcome message. Click on the forward button to continue. The extension will ask for camera access permission. Click on Allow to grant access. Once the permission is granted, you'll see a brief of how to use instructions. Click on the forward button to complete the extension onboarding. Once the onboarding process is complete, click on the Chrome extension icon. You'll find CogniRead in the list of extensions. Pin the extension for better accessibility. When you click on the CogniRead extension icon, the extension window will appear. Navigate to the tab where you want to start your reading session and click on the Start Analyze button to begin the reading session. Once the reading starts, you'll see the reading analysis indicator in the extension window. If you find the extension window distracting, click anywhere on your screen window to make it disappear, and you can draw the same window by clicking again on the CogniRead extension icon. Once you're done with reading, click on the Stop Analyze button to stop the reading session. You can check the overall analytics of your recent reading sessions by clicking on the Sessions tab on the extension window. Visit the dashboard by clicking on Go to Dashboard button to check your detailed cumulative analytics of your current and previous reading sessions along with your personal progress. CogniRead is a complete solution to analyze your reading habits and performance and provides an array of benefits in real life. It helps improve your exam preparation with real-time feedback that is beneficial for exams like GMAT, GAT, IIT, GRE, and many more. It provides support while your child is learning to read and analyze their reading for better understanding of where they lack and can improve. It is also useful while comparing and keeping a tab of your progress while learning a new language. Read better, perform better with CogniRead.